Okay guys, we have another tedious questions here which said 3x raised to the power of 3x exponent 3 divided by 2 minus, I'm sorry, the integrals of, okay, the integrals minus 5x plus x square dx. Okay, so now guys, according to our general rules, we have what? Whenever you have on a number like this, whenever you have on something different, what do? We try to integrate commonly, and they ask us to evaluate the value of x. Okay, to evaluate with respect to x. So now what are we going to do? We have a fraction here. This is a fraction. We have a fraction. What now are we going to do with these fractions? We try to do something else. So now we said the integrals of 3. This one we need to divide this by this. Okay, divide this by this. So now what do we have? 3 divided by 2 x. 3 minus 5x plus. So now this one is a division line. So now if this one goes up, the division totally change the signs to minus. It's change the sign of the exponent to -2, the sign of the power or exponent to -2. What do we have? We have x minus 2. X is to the power -2 dx. Okay, now we integrate. So now we integrate, we have is equal to 3 all upon 2 x 3 plus 2, 3 plus 1 divided by 3 plus 1. 3 plus 1 minus 5x 1 plus 1, because the power of any number is equal to 1. It has 1 power. Okay, 1 divided by 1 plus 1 plus x minus 2 plus 1 minus 2 plus 1 plus c, the constant c. Okay, this is the constant, which is c. Guys, pay attention, look at this formula. So now if we're having this, we said 3 2 x 3 plus 2, 3 plus 1 is 4. Okay, 4 here, 4. Okay, minus 1 plus 1 5x square, here is 2, and plus -2 plus 1 is -1. Okay, x minus of 1 here minus 1, is that not 2? Minus 1 plus c. So now here -1. Okay, so now 1, the positive 1 divided by the negative 1, it changes what? The negative sign. Okay, it totally changes this one to negative sign. So now we have, but this one is equivalent to this, is that not so? This one is equivalent to this, but now the power of it, this one here. So now if we evaluate these fractions, so now we have 3 2 1 4. Okay, 3 2 1 4. Here we have 4 times 3 12, is that not so? So now we have here 4 times 3 is 12, but now we are not going to talk about that here. That is not we're going to talk about here. Now we try to do what? We try to multiply this, the denominator, by this one here, or we multiply it by this. So now we have 3, okay, 3 all upon 4 times 2 8. Okay, x raised to the power 4, or exponent 4, minus 5 divided by 2 x 2 minus x raised to the power -1. Remember I told you that positive sign divided by a negative sign, it is always a negative sign. It's not 2. Plus 1 divided by minus 1 is minus 1. Okay, raised to the power minus 1 plus c. You can leave it like this. Okay, you can leave it like this. Otherwise, you can try to introduce a division line here. What do we have? If we introduce a division line from this, it changes to 3 8x4 minus 5 2x square minus 1x plus c. Answer. Okay, thank you. Okay, now guys, we have a question here again, wherein they said evaluate with respect to s the integrals of 14x square dx. What do we have? 14x square dx. What do we have? So now we said solution. We have a solution for every problem. We have a simple solution. We as a science student. So now we have is equal to the integrals of 14 14x exponent 2 added by 1 divided by 2 added by 1 plus c, the constant. Okay, there is a constant. So now we have it equal to 14x cube here 3 plus c. We can leave it like this, and or we put it like this one here is equal to 14 divided by 3 x 3 plus c. This is the answer. Thank you. And we have the last question, the last but not the least. We said that which states that the integrals of evaluate with respect to x the integrals of 3x square plus 2x exponent 4 dx. What do we have? Okay, what do we have here? We have a simple solution for every problem. So now we have is equal to 3x 2 plus 1 here divided by 2 plus 1 and plus 2x 4 plus 1 and 4 plus 1 plus c. So now we have here it's equal to 3x 3 plus 2x 5 here plus c. So now this all equal to 3 divided by 3 is 1 here. So now 1x cube plus 2x 5 all divided by 5 plus c. Thank you.